This little baby here is one of my best friends. I absolutely love the Hatch. You can say without a doubt that it is worth the hype, and I'm gonna tell you why. Hi, my name is Jensen Casey. I am a certified pediatric sleep consultant, certified postpartum doula, and mom of 3. So typically I'm in my daughter's room, but today I came into my son's room. I have 2 boys that share a room. At the time of this filming, they are 6 and 5. We're gonna talk about the Hatch light and is it worth it? This Hatch light is responsible for my children staying in bed for the duration of the night. I have gotten them to a place where they know that red equals bed, and as soon as that red light comes on, even if we're playing in their rooms, they're still getting their pajamas on. Our goal is to have your pajamas on, teeth brushed. We're in the middle of reading books when this light goes to red. It is preset, and if you don't know how to preset your Hatch light, they're automatically changing to red when it's time for bed and to green when it's time to wake up. I have a video that I'm gonna put below in the description that shows you exactly how to set programs. But my children know if we have a little bit of extra time at the end of the night, they can kind of play around in their room, but as soon as that light turns red, they know, okay, it's time for us to get into our bed, get tucked in, and the lights are going off. So it really just kind of takes away that pressure from me of having to say, okay, boys, it's time for bed, it's time for bed, it's time for bed. This light takes all the heavy lifting off of me and makes it easy for them to have a visual reminder of when they need to lay down. Anytime that they wake up overnight, it's also a great visual reminder without needing that reminder from me, who ideally is still sleeping, if it's time for morning. I cannot tell you the last time that they have gotten up and come out of their room and asked if it's morning yet, because they know all they have to do is look at the light and it's going to tell them, yes, it's green and it means that we can come out of bed, or no, it's still red and that means that it's still time for me to either sleep, rest in my bed, or play quietly so I'm not waking my brother. The same goes for the morning. It's perfect on school days. I have the setting set to 7:30, but it's able to be changed manually on my phone so that I can change it if it's a school day and I need them up a little bit earlier so that they know, okay, it's time for me to get up. This is a perfect time because the light is already green. I have to do very minimal work to be able to do it. I just log into the app and change the timing. So easy to do. So if you do not have the Hatch light and you have a child that is sleeping in a bed, but maybe coming out of the room multiple times a day, or having trouble knowing when it's morning and they continually are asking you, then the Hatch light is definitely something that you need to have. If you have the light and you're like, I don't know what to do because my child is still waking up and they're not following the light, then send me a comment below because I'm gonna explain to you. I have a PDF that I can send straight to your email that's gonna detail out exactly how to introduce and use the Hatch light so your child knows to stay in bed if the light is still red and knows that they can come out of their room when the light is green. Because it's not just enough to have the light, you have to know the strategies to be able to use with it in order for it to be successful for your family. So all you have to do is leave a comment below and I will make sure that I'm able to send you that PDF. If you are wondering, yes, the Hatch is 1000% worth the hype. You need to have a Hatch light. Even if you don't have a child that is sleeping in a bed yet, if you're creating a baby registry or you're wondering, should I even get a Hatch light? Is this something we'll eventually need? Yes. I still recommend it because you can start using this red and green system for children that are much younger. So by the time they're ready to move to a bed, they already understand the system and they're used to seeing that red light when they're sleeping and used to that light changing and then mom or dad or caregiver, whoever, walking in. So it's already kind of subconsciously setting the scene for them. So then when they transition to a bed, this is not something new that you're introducing. They already know the program and know exactly what to expect. So even if your child is a newborn, still super helpful because it does have a lot of features. And I have a whole video that describes the features of the Hatch and how to use them, the sound machine feature, the light features. So I'm also gonna post that below for you to watch. I will pop the link in below as to why you need it and write a comment if you need some more support to be able to use this effectively in your house. And I will see you in those videos.